Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to recover delete Instagram stories. Whether you want to get it back, remix it or turn it into a reel. I've got to your covered. Let's dive in. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner on your profile. Select your activity from the menu, scroll down and tap Recently Deleted. In the Recently Deleted section, you'll see any delete stories, posts or reels. Tap on the story you want to recover. Tap More in the bottom right corner and select Restore. What happens next? In the story is still within the 24-hour time frame. It will be restored as an activity story. If not, it will be moved to your story archive, where you can view it, remix it or add it to your highlight. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.